Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As you know, my channel name is Curiosity with a Third, and today I am going to tell how to solve the third layer of the Rubik cube. Okay, as you know how to solve the two layers of the Rubik cube, I have told you. So today I am going to tell how to solve the third layer of the Rubik. First of all, for solving the third layer of the Rubik cube, we have to form a plus. First I am telling procedure. We have to form a plus. Okay, then we have to match these corners with their centers, and then we have to bring these edges to their correct positions. Then we have to match with their centers. Our Rubik cube third layer will be formed. Now I am going to tell how to solve that. See, first of all, we have to form a plus. When situation comes that there is only a center and not yellow color, there is not any piece lying yellow color, we have to form a plus which will consist of these five colors. Okay, see, these five pieces it will consist 1 2 3 4 5. We have to form a plus because, so what I will do to bring this yellow color to here, see, there is a procedure. You have to use the one algorithm or formula. Many channels tell you how to solve it. They give you in this situation 3 formulas, but I will only give you 2 formulas. So see, let's begin. Whenever this situation comes, you have to do front, up, right, dash up, dash right, dash front. A minus forms, but many people will say they can't see minus. Now you see it is a minus, if no, yeah. So now we have to form plus. Then we will do front, right, up, dash right, dash up, dash front. See, our plus formed. Now there is one more situation that also I will tell you. So hello friends, now I am going to tell how to solve that. Whenever there comes a L, many channels say you to use 2 formulas, but I am going to tell you to use only 1 formula. So see, first of all, when this situation comes, there is a L, we have to turn that cube by the 90-degree anti-clockwise. Okay, see, now this has formed the opposite L. Okay, then you have to use formula front, up, right, dash up, dash right, dash front. We have formed the plus. There is one more situation which can come. So I am also going to tell that one situation. There is a situation when minus comes, and you know how to solve it. This is only the situation. You have to use front, right, up, dash right, dash up, dash front. This situation. So you will form a plus. Now we have to use another thing. See, we have completed our first procedure, and sometimes the plus only comes. When we solve these 2 bottom layers, our plus becomes automatically. So that's your good luck. So see, now what I am going to tell. After this, you have to match these pieces with their centers. As you know, yellow is matched. Now we have to match these centers with this. As you can see, green is matched. This is not matched, blue is matched, this is not matched. There is also possibilities. Our first possibility is there. First of all, I am reminding you that there is never a situation that only with one piece it is matching. It will be situation that it is matching with 2 opposite sides, or with 2 same sides, or with nothing. First of all, we are going to solve the situation which consists that opposite sides are matching. So let's begin. See, for solving this, you have to use one formula. If you not learn also that formula, no, you can by seeing also you can learn. See, first of all, what you have to do. You have to do one time like this. Okay, then we will remove this white pieces from here. Then we will close this door. Then they will go for coming here, but they can't go anti-clockwise, so they will go clockwise. Again door will open. They will see that the door is open. They will come here, and they came again. Now you will think what will do this. See, now we will match these corners. You can see that it is not matched till now. So see, any two pieces together will be matched now. Let me see. Yeah, matched. See, these two pieces matched after using this algorithm. Now what you have to do, you bring this cube like this, and these two corners are not solved, not matched. So whatever we will do this, we will hold cube like this. We will again use this white pieces will come outside. We will close this door, then it will go there, then they will come here. Now you will say what happened. See, our these pieces have been matched now. Means this also our done, but and these possibilities only came. Now many people will say what happened if there is no matching. So there is very much good thing. You can use this formula from anywhere. As in this, when these things came that it is matching with 2, so you have to use from here which two sides are not matching. But in that, if it is not matching with anyone, so you have to use that formula from anywhere. Now as you can see, our plus formed, it is matched with these centers. Now what we have to do, this is our now second part. Means yes, it is going part second, but this is also a very big thing if you learn this. So now there is a new good thing. So for learning this, please stay with me. Hello friends, now what we have to do, now there is a new procedure that we have to bring these pieces with their matching with their centers. Some people can't understand, so for what I am here. See, first of all, see, this is a 5x5 Rubik's cube. Here you can see match these corners. See, yeah, position match it now. So what I am going to tell, here should come the corner which consists of yellow color, orange color and blue color. Did I am telling wrong? Here should come a corner which should contain yellow color, orange color, blue color. I can prove this also. See, this is the situation over. As you can see here in this Rubik's cube also, this is the center, yellow color center, orange color, blue color. So here is a piece which here is a piece which contains the piece which contains a color yellow, blue, orange. So I also want that only. Now find it. Where is it? It is here. So the conclusion is that we have to bring the pieces with their same position. Okay, where they should lie, we have to bring there. For doing this, first of all, you always check the cube. What we have to check? We should check that there is any piece to their correct position. No, see, here it is not. We want a piece which contains yellow, orange and green color, but it is not here. So see, yellow, blue, orange, it is not here. Yellow, blue, red, it is not here. Yellow, red, green. If a situation comes that there is a no corner piece matching with their position, so you have to start from anywhere one formula. See, and this is also a good formula. You can learn like this only. Do one side like this, open the door. We will take the door there. Means we will, now this can move, now it is moving anti-clockwise. Then we have to open this one also door. So now this will go. See, this one came here. So now you see it has been matched. So we will bring this again. Okay, we have brought this again. Now we have to bring this again with their color. So see, I have bring it and done. Our not disturbed, our not two layers destroyed also. And you can see this corner piece came with their correct position. See, here we want blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow. So now we have to brought new pieces to here. Now if there is a one corner piece matching with this, what you have to use? The formula, this only. But now you have to open this one door. I have opened this door. I will take this piece there. Then I will open this one door. I will take the piece there. Then it has been matched. So then I will bring it here. Yeah, our plus formed. Yeah, our plus formed, and it is matching. Nothing destroyed. So now you see, blue red white is matching with this. Now you will see that nothing piece is matching with their corners, with their position. So again we will use this formula. I have done again use of this formula. Now let's find. Yeah, it has been matched now. See, blue, orange, white, it is correct position. It is also at correct position. It is in same order only. So now our another procedure will be start for solving the cube. To learn that procedure, please stay with my channel and like this video and also subscribe my channel. So now let's begin to how to solve the another procedure I am now going to tell. Hello friends, now there is a one situation. What situation? See, when we have solved these two bottom layers, we have merged these corners with their centers, we have formed the plus, we have brought these pieces, edges at the correct position. Now we have to do in the same order. One situation comes that this is at its correct position. First of all, I am going to tell if one is at its correct position, then what we have to do. See, if there is one piece at its correct position, we will hold the cube like this. This should come at the back side, in the right back side. Okay, right back side corner it should become. Then we have to use one more thing. See, we will open this door, we will take this head, we will close and it will come again here. Okay, then we will again do full procedure we have to complete. Now you will say why you have been stopped. We have to match this yellow color here, but now you will say it has been destroyed. Nothing happens. You will do one time like this, then again you will apply this formula. See, you will say it is also destroyed. So but this one match. Now we have to match this one. So now what we have to do, you also again do this, and when this yellow color will match, a magic will happen. See, yellow color match, we will bring here and see our Rubik's cube has been solved. Yeah, our Rubik's cube solved. Please, sorry. Our Rubik's cube solved. Now I will show you another situation. Okay, so please stay with me. So hello friends, now we are going to learn. Our second possibility has been came that how to solve these corners. So I am going to tell how to solve these corners. See, I have told you the how to solve it. By me, I have told the another thing I before only that we are solved one edge. We have to hold in our right back side. Okay, then we have to use that one formula only, which I have told you. We have to bring this yellow color here. It has not came till now. It not came. Now it came. Then we will shift this. Then we will again use that. And we have formed our this. Yeah, we have formed again our Rubik's cube. Now I will show you another possibility. And now friends, there is our another possibility. Okay, if all pieces now we have done properly at place there, we have done properly. Now we have to match it with their we have to do it the correct order. So see, we will use that one formula only, but on that we are holding a piece which is solved at our right back side. But now this time we will not do, because nothing is solved, that's why. So we will use this one formula and we will do directly on the that. See, I am explaining how. I think many people not understand, but I am telling. See, I will hold this. See, hold. I will do this only. See, our this yellow color come downside. Now we will again do this. See, this again came. Now we will again do. Again came. Now only one left. See, came. Now you can see we have solved our Rubik's cube. If you like this video, really, if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe my channel. I will bring many types of videos. Don't think that I will only bring of study, only of solving cube. See, today we learned how to solve 3x3 Rubik's cube. Did you want to learn this one cube? And there are many other cubes. If you will not believe that I have 4x4 Rubik's cube and many types of Rubik's cube. Okay, I have a triangular Rubik's cube. There are many Rubik's cubes with me. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we will meet in other video. So bye bye, tata, see you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and video. Bye bye, tata, see you.